Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all having the very best of days. Today's video, as I'm sure you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, is I just said that all very fast. If you couldn't tell from the title and the thumbnail, today's video is going to be another Wish video. If you've been with me for a little while, you will know bloomin' love shopping on Wish. Bloomin' love it. I will link for you in the clickable I button a little playlist of Wish videos that I've done. I've done Christmas gifts, I've done prom videos, I've done free makeup, I've done just a bunch of stuff from Wish, but there's something I haven't done from Wish, and that is school supplies. So I have this lovely big Primark bag. I realise this isn't a Primark haul, but everything comes in weird little packages like this. So I've just put it all into a nice big Primark bag for you. So it's pretty much filled, which means I'll probably split this video into 2/3 videos just because there's a lot to get through. I'm pretty sure there's about 40 different back to school supplies, and I'm pretty certain 99% of these were free. I'll have it on the screen obviously, but if you haven't been on Wish before, there are certain little items where you click on them and they're like free. You're like, okay, you do have to pay shipping, but in most cases the shipping is about £1, so free. I got free school supplies. I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna shove my hand in the bag and we'll just see what comes out, okay? Let's open this up. What have we got? I do not remember ordering this. I don't know what this is. I actually genuinely don't have a clue what this is. It's a rectangle stone texture sticky terrible creative memo pad. So basically they're sticky notes, but with a cute pattern. Okay, so I'm not too sure if you can see that very well, but it is a super pale pastel pink in kind of a wooden flooring pattern. But they're little sticky notes, and let's see how sticky they are. Not super sticky. Let's stick one on my phone. Oh, it's stuck. Okay, it is stuck. These sticky notes are not the stickiest of sticky notes, but it's holding, so I'm sure I will get a little bit of use out of these, and they were free, so I'm not gonna complain. I'm not gonna complain. What are you? I ordered a little squishy. They've connected the keychain to it, like through the bag. Like, here's the bag opening. Keychain. I'm a little bit confused, and it's so sticky it won't actually come out. Oh, it's actually a pretty good squishy. It is actually very sticky squishy, but it's not popping out too fast. I watched a What's Inside video and they said the better quality squishies took longer to pop out, so that's a pretty good squishy, right? No? I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, so as you can see, it is a little keychain with a little squishy on the end, and it has a panda face on it with a cute pink bow. So I thought that would be cute to take back to school. It was free, and it's a pretty decent squishy. Right, okay, I got these. I've never seen these before. They looked pretty cute, and they looked like they could be kind of useful. You get 3 in a pack, and they are little squishy rubber things. So you put a pencil through it. I'm gonna go grab a pencil. You're supposed to put a pencil in it. Gosh! You put a pencil in it, and then you've got a little bed for your fingertip. That's pretty comfortable, and then you can, I don't know if this is hindering me. I don't know how to explain it, but I want my finger to be more up and round as opposed to flat like this. But when I write, I feel like I want to lift this finger up a little bit more than it is, and when I do that, it pulls the pencil with it. I don't know, I could definitely get used to it, and it means that you won't be dropping your pencil so much because look, woo, it is connected to your finger. I guess, I don't know how I feel about this product. I really don't. It's comfortable, and I guess it works if your finger works in the same way that it works. You know? Before I pull out the next item, I do have a brand new video on my second channel. This is the thumbnail. If you want to go and watch that, then I'll leave that in the clickable I button for you. Dun 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 dun. Cute! Okay, this is a little teeny tiny panda stapler, and I'm really hoping that it works because this is just cute. Plus you get your own little box of staples that comes with it, which is very handy. Boop, 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 boop. Let's see if we can get some staples in here and put him to the test. Do you actually work, Mr. Panda? Moment of truth. Dun 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 dun. Genuinely didn't think that had worked. It didn't feel like that worked, but it has. I have, oh well, I've ripped it now, but I had a stapled piece of paper. Yes, this is a big thumbs up from me. I will be keeping this. This will be sitting on my desk. I like him a lot. A lot. Please give him a name in the comments below. What are you? Ooh. Okay. Oh. Okay. I got a pen. So I don't know if you can see in the middle, there's like little crystally gem things. I really thought they were gonna move, like kind of like a mood pen type thing, and you could sit there in class and do this. But they don't really move, but it does actually feel like a pretty good pen. Like it's nice and weighty, it's not super light. Rose gold. Let's see if it works. Oh, it's a really good pen. Oh my gosh. This is a really, really good pen. The ink is genuinely flowing out really, really well. That sounds ridiculously stupid. I mean, what more can you expect from a pen? But you've definitely had a pen before where you've picked it up, you've gone to write with it, and then you've spent about 5 minutes trying just to get it to write and just squiggling over the page. This is not one of those pens. I didn't have to do any of that. It just instantly works. It writes really smoothly. It's weighted. It looks good. Genuinely impressed with this pen. 10 out of 10 for this pen. Okay. Okay, so this one isn't too exciting. It's a water bottle, but I really, really liked the blue. I like the shape of it. I like the little lid. And now that I'm holding it, I really blooming love it. It's got that like smooth, I don't know how to explain it, like a matte, like a smooth matte plastic feel. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but that's what it feels like, and it's really satisfying. It's also BPA free, which is super good, and I do hope it is actually BPA free and they haven't just written that on there, because that would be disappointing. It's got a little top here that you screw off, and inside it's got a little thing, a little, brain's gone, brain's shut off. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's got a little handle on it, so. But, does it leak? I'm gonna go fill it up with water and we shall see this. And if it does leak, I won't be very happy because I actually really quite like it and want to keep it in my handbag. Lid is on, nice and secure. It's doing well. Leak proof, okay. Very impressed with this bottle. I really, really like the color of this. It doesn't leak. It's a perfect little size. Got a handle. I think it looks cute and it just feels really satisfying. I know that sounds so weird, but it does. So yeah, I'm happy with this. I'm really happy with this bottle. Okay, we're going in for another thing. Washi tape. I mean, I don't really remember ordering washi tape, but I obviously did. This is supposed to be Galaxy washi tape, and we're gonna unroll it. Hey, it's not bad. It's not the best, and it definitely doesn't look quite as nice as the image. The image is definitely a lot brighter and prettier, but it's okay. Let's see if it can stick some sticky notes together. Sticks things together, does its job. If you look at the picture online, it's a really pretty galaxy blue, like a bright blue. This is very, very desaturated. It's very flat. So although it does stick things together, and although it is kind of a pretty pattern, it just isn't as pretty as what I wanted, and it isn't what it showed online. So a little bit disappointed. A little bit disappointed. I don't know why there's a glue stick in this bag, but there is a glue stick. Oh, okay, so these are little notebooks, and I believe I am sad. My brain did that thing, you know, where you see something online and you assume it does something and it didn't. I thought, from the picture online, I thought this was a scratch off notebook, like it was coloured underneath and had black across the top and you scratch off the black and it comes out coloured. And that was just me being really stupid. It didn't say that anywhere. It barely even showed that. It was just colourful writing on a notebook. So that was just me being stupid. This is pretty much exactly what it says online. I just got really, really excited. So basically, this is a little notebook, but it has black paper instead of white paper, so you can draw on it in whites and bright colours, or probably gel pens, and it would come up nice and colourful. This is not what I thought it was, but it makes sense. It says on the front, "Such a beautiful night," with, I don't know whether this is an arrow or a little house. Also, you do get 2 of them in a pack, so I mean, it is what it showed online. I just got overexcited. It is basically just a black notebook, and that is it. Oh. Okay, I'm really excited about this one. So this is a little, oh my gosh, it says on it, it's an anti-lady killer. What? So this is genuinely something I had when I was at school. So mum made sure that I had this little alarm device. It was a little black circular thing from what I remember, and it was, I don't remember whether it was attached to my bag or it was in my bag, but basically it had a piece of string attached, and if you yanked it off the string, like you had to pull quite hard, if you yanked the black thing off the string, an alarm would go off, and it was a horrifyingly loud alarm. It was awful. But basically, if you were ever in danger at any point, you could yank it off and then this alarm would sound, and hopefully someone would come to get you, because the alarm wouldn't go off until you reattach this fiddly piece of string. So I genuinely had one of these at school. I found this on Wish. Under school supplies, I found this, and I thought I would see if it actually works. So it looks like you actually click the button on it. Kind of terrified to do so in case I can't turn it off. I do not know what this is saying. The annunciator will give an alarm signal which can scare lady killer and baddie away. I don't know how it doesn't tell me how. Once I've started it, I turn it off. Oh, that's not a button. That button does nothing. Just gonna pull this out. Oh my gosh, what if I can't get it back in? Oh my gosh, I can't do it. I don't think I can do it. Yep. That happened. Woo! Wow. Yeah, Well, this works. Oh my gosh! That is loud. Would definitely suggest everyone gets one of these. Definitely works. Definitely a good idea in case anyone tries to hurt you, harm you, mug you, anything like that. But yeah, so that works. Probably not going to touch that for a while. Bit scary. But yeah, I do hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big old thumbs up for me if you did. It will make me so, so happy. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye!